If you're wondering how to check private Instagram accounts, here's the simple and honest answer. When an Instagram account is set to private, their followers list is completely hidden. You can only see the number of followers, not the actual list, unless they approve your follow request. So, if you're trying to view followers of a private Instagram account without following, that's not possible through any official or legitimate method. Now, the only real way to see private Instagram account followers is by sending a follow request, secondary or alternative Instagram account. Just send a follow request from that account and wait for approval. There's also one small exception: mutual followers. Instagram may show you a few mutual connections, meaning people who follow both you and that private account. But this is limited and doesn't reveal the full list. So, to sum it up, there's no shortcut or trick to bypass Instagram privacy settings. Any app or website claiming that is not reliable. And yeah, that's how you check private Instagram account followers the right way.